Good morning, students. Myself, Kunal Sharma, your mathematics teacher, and welcome to e-learning program organized by Model English School, Nevada. So today we are going to discuss some problem of exercise 3E. So see question number 5. Question number 5 of 3E. What it is saying? It is saying the product of two numbers is 504347. So in question number 5, I am not going to write here the question. You have to see the question from your book. Now, the product of two numbers is, in question number 5, the product of two numbers, product means multiplication. Product of two numbers is this much, and one of the number is 370. Then we have to find the other number. How can we find the other? By dividing. Divide it with, so other number will be equal to this. Divide the product of the two number divided by one of the number. Then you will get the other number. Just you have to divide it. Okay, in question number 5. I think you can divide it. Now in question number 6, on dividing a certain number. In question number 6, on dividing a certain number 59761 by a certain number. When you divide this number by a certain number, we don't know what this number is. The quotient is 189, and the remainder you are getting. What is the remainder? What is the remainder? Remainder is 37. Remainder means R. This is okay. This is question number 6. Remainder you are getting this, and this is quotient. Quotient you can assume it as Q. You can call it B, and here we don't know what is the divisor. So divisor is A. So we have to find what is the divisor. What is the value of A here? If this number is divided by a certain number, we don't know that number. The quotient is this and remainder is this. Then find the divisor. Find the value of A. So we know that divisor into quotient. Divisor into quotient plus remainder. So divisor is A into quotient. Quotient is Q plus remainder R equals dividend. So dividend equals to, it means dividend. Dividend is B. Dividend equals to divisor A. Dividend here B. Let us assume this B. B equals A into Q plus R. So what is B? 59761 equals A. A into Q. What is Q? 189 plus remainder. Remainder is 37. Now we have to solve this. Okay. Now we have to solve it. So I am erasing it. So 59761 equals 189 into A plus 37. So here divisor is A, 37 is the remainder. So subtract it. 189A equals 59761 minus 37. You have to subtract it. Plus 37 will go that side, it will be minus 37. Now A will be equal to, subtract it, 7, 189A equals to 11 minus 7 is 4. 11 minus 7 is 4. And 5 minus 3 is 2. And 597. You will get this. Now A, what is the divisor? Divide it. 59724 divide by 189 and you will get the answer. Okay? In this way you will solve such type of question. Now in question 7, on dividing a certain number by 299, the remainder is this. The quotient using, we have to find the quotient. Now see the next question. See, question number 7. On dividing a number 55390. This is the dividend 55390. On dividing a number with 299, the remainder you are getting is 75. We have to find the quotient. What is the quotient? So how we will find? We know that divisor into quotient plus remainder equals this. So 55390. Okay. So first of all, subtract the remainder from this. If we subtract the remainder from this dividend, then that number will be divisible by this. So divisor or the quotient Q will be equal to 55390. You can subtract the dividend from, okay, and then 299, and you will get the answer. You can solve it, or you can solve in that method also. Previously, you can solve it and you will get the answer. Now question number C, question number 8. What is in question number 8? What least number must be subtracted? 13601. What least number must be subtracted from this to get a number exactly divisible by 87? What least number must be subtracted from this? First divide it by 87, and after dividing with this number by 87, whatever remainder you will get, just subtract this 13601 from that remainder. Divide it, whatever the remainder you will get, subtract that remainder from this number. From this number you will get the answer. Whatever, suppose the remainder is R, then what least number should be subtracted? So your remainder will be the answer. Sorry, subtract, divide this number with 87. Whatever remainder you are getting, that will be the answer. That least number should be subtracted from it, this number. Then that will be divisible by 87. Okay. So just divide it. The remainder will be the answer in question number 8. Now, in question number 9, what least number must be added? This is also same. What least number must be added to get a number exactly divisible by 23? Now we have to divide it. Whatever we are getting the quotient here, whatever the quotient, just add 1 to it. Add 1 to it, and then multiply that quotient with this, and then subtract that number from this. Then you will get the answer. Okay. For example, suppose you can solve it. This is question number 9. So 23, 3 is 9, 4 3 is 12, 4 2 is 8, and 9. 4 times. 4 3 is 12, 4 3 is 12, 4 2 is 8, 1 9, 3 1 6, and 4 5 3 is 6 3 is 18, 6 2 is 12, 1 13, 16, 5 times. Okay. So 5 times. 5 3 is 15, 5 2 is 10, 1 11. So subtract it 1 and 2. So you have to multiply 23 with 46 with 1 greater than that. 1 greater than what you are getting, and then subtract this with 1056. You will get the answer. The required number to be added is multiply 23 with 1 greater than that, 46, and subtract that number with 1056. Then that will be the answer. Okay. So your today's homework will be 5 to 16. Exercise 3, 5 to 16. Okay? Okay, students, complete your homework and thanks for watching the video.